yourself together! Huh? Is this even real? Oh no! She was also a mom! Please, my family needs me! I didn't do anything wrong! You can't even help yourself! You're funny! Mom! My baby!
Are you free tonight?
We'll see about that. How are you, my baby? I miss you so much! Told ya, you're mine now. Mom, don't cry! I'll take care of you! Hold on to this, Mom! Keep it a secret! What's this? That's our escape plan! And I'm gonna be your key to freedom! Really? Yes!
Let's go.
Bye, Mom! No, don't take her away from me! Come back! Huh? Where's my bag? How did it get there anyway? What? Come here, you stupid bag! I'm gonna get you! Ouch! Oh no! What's with her and her bag? It worked! She's knocked out! I can get the key now! I got you, Mom! That's my girl! You'll be out in no time! Hurry before she wakes up! My hero! Oh no!
Officer! The prisoner has escaped! Wake up!
My head hurts! Run, sweetie! What to do? I know! How long was I out? That cursed police bag! Into the dog cage you go! You'll see! You can't escape now! Oh no!
I'm on it, boss!
Ew, I might need a new police bag then. It stinks! What sorcery is this exactly? Let me out! Oh, no! So it's you, huh? Back to jail! No! Here's a dream catcher! Huh? Who's there? Show yourself! Oh no. Are the ghosts in this precinct true? I'm scared. Okay, lights. The lights won't turn on. Oh shoot, I forgot to charge this flashlight. I'm getting goosebumps. That was easy! Gotta rescue Mom now! Mom, wake up! Huh? What? Ew! Get away from me, you ghost! Ouch! It hurts! Mom, it's me! My baby! It's you! You came back! Time to go, Mom! Oops! Where do you think you're going? Catch me if you can! Wait! Hey, officer! What in the world? I think I'm the one you're looking for! Wait a sec. Let me see. Mustache? Weird shades? Messy hair? The resemblance is uncanny. I gotcha! Here's your new cellmate, loser mom! Oh no! So scary! Please don't hurt me! Why would I hurt you, Mom? It's me! Oh, baby! Oops. Nature calls. I gotta go! Let's do it! So, we are here. We just need to find our way through the pipes behind this wall. Looks easy, right? Told you, Mom! It's doable! We have to use this spoon! Right, good thinking! Let's start scraping. Look, it's a vent! We found our way out! Yay! Let's go! Hurry up, Mom! What? That's my dad's face on a skeleton! She's dancing with it! What are you laughing at? Mi amor. Oops! Oh no! What the? Ouch! The prisoners! Arrest them quick! Okay, this is it! Back to jail, you two! No! Aim for the keys, okay? Yes! You got it! Let's get out of here. Yippee! We did it, Mom! It stopped working! No wonder it was cheap. So useless! Huh? Who are you? It's your birthday! Today? Really? Oh my gosh, I could really use a birthday today. Let's have some fun! Make me one of those poodle-shaped balloons that clowns do. Coming right up! Oh no, I don't know how to do that. Take your time. Almost there! This trick will only work if you close your eyes. No problem, I'm so excited! Keep them closed, okay? Go, go! Huh? A poop balloon? You liars! What do you mean? Who are you? We're birthday clowns, what else? Are you sure? Achoo! Ouch! My tooth fell out! I knew it! We're back! You liars! Back to jail! Ugh, so disgusting! These flies and bugs keep coming back! And I've used up a lot of insect sprays already. What's this for? Do not spray locks? Of course I will! Let's see if this will work! Look! Mom! The lock melted! This is it! We're finally getting out, baby! Let's go! We did it! You did not! Get back in there! No way! Ouch! My face! Oh my gosh, no, no! I will punish you!
Stop!
Oh, hi, lover boy.
Don't you ever hurt my kid.
No, no! Let me out, babe!
Can we start over again? I missed you both.